Good morning dear students. In your previous video class, you learnt about how to draw a histogram for the given distribution table and we have to solving exercise problems 3.1. In this class, we will discuss about another one graph, that is pie chart or circle graph. By this circle graph, it gives the relationship between whole to its part. See children, this is an example for the pie chart. Yes, by seeing this pie chart, we come to the conclusion this is a chart about the time spent by a child during a day. The child activities, the different activities are done by the child. How much time he spent for the different activities, those are represented through this circle. And the circle is divided into parts, such are called sectors. See now, the sleeping hour is 8 hours. The child spent 8 hours for sleeping and he did 4 hours for homework and he spent 6 hours in school and he did 3 hours for play and he gives 3 hours for other activities. And here the different activities are done by the child and it is represented in the circle through the sector. And here the proportion of the sector is calculated by the formula like this. See now, proportion of the sector for hours spent in sleeping. Our intention is calculate the proportion of sleeping when it is connected to a whole day. Yes, is equal to number of sleeping hours. The total hour for sleeping is 8 hours and it is divided by the whole day. In the day, how many time we have? Yes, we have 24 hours in a day. Yes, among 24 hours, he spent 8 hours for sleeping. Because of that reason, it is divided by 24. We get a proportion 1/3. In a circle, the 1/3 proportion or the proportion is represents sleeping, sleep. In the same way, 4 hours, 8 hours and 6 hours are like this and we have to mark by using the scale. See children, this is a chart of the circle and this circle graph is also called pie chart. Pie chart gives the relationship between whole to its part. And now let us learn more about this pie chart. Okay children, all of you take this example. Yes, children, now come to in-text question of the page number 26. Now let's see what is asking in this question. Each of the following charts gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle representing each of these information. See children, here the circles are given. The different circles gives different information about the students of our class. See now, look at the first figure. See here, the girls or boys. This chart gives the total number of students present in the class. In that classroom, the percentage of girls and percentage of boys given here. Yes, the girls percentage is 50, the boys percentage is 50%. Here what is asking? Find the fraction of the circle representing. Now let us going to find the fraction of the circle. See children here. Is fraction of girls. Fraction of girls is equal to girls percentage divided by total percentage. Here we have to take the total percentage is 100. The girls percentage is how much here? 50. The fraction is 51s are 52s are. Fraction become how much? 1 by 2. Similarly, fraction of boys is equal to boys percentage divided by total percent. Here total percent is this whole circle. The whole circle is equal to 100%. That's why 100 here taken in the denominator, 50 is taken in the numerator, 51s are 52s are. The fraction of boys is how much? 1 by 2. Fraction of girls is 1 by 2. Fraction of boys is 1 by 2. Let's now come to the second diagram. What is given here? Transport to school. As here the students, how in which in vehicles they are used to reach the school here given, that is given as transport to school. Here 40% are come by walk, as 40% are through bus and car, 30% are come through cycle. Now let's find here solution. Fraction of students come to school by walk. Simply write by walk. Come to school by walk is equal to walk percentage divided by total percent. Here total percentage is 100. Here walk percentage is how much? 40. 40 divided by 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. Now how much it gives? 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Fraction is 2 by 5. Fraction is 2 by 5. Here asking is fraction, you know. Now due to that reason we write here only 2 by 5. Otherwise we have to simplify this, converted into decimal. Next, fraction of students come to school by walk is over. Next, in the same way, similarly, by bus or car. Yes, by bus or car here percentage 40. The whole percentage is 100. Yes, here also we get 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next, similarly, bicycle. Bicycle. How much is given? 20% divided by 100. It gives how much? Yes, 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 5s are 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Yes. Like this, we have to find the fraction of the given information in the circle. Next, the last circle is love or hate subject mathematics. How many students are love mathematics? How many students are hate mathematics? That is given in terms of percentage in the circle. Yes. Now let us finding the fraction. Solution. Fraction of students who love mathematics, who love maths is equal to, loving percentage is how much here? 85. 85 divided by 100. 85 divided by 100. Yes, we get here how much? Fraction 85 by 100. Otherwise from the 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35. Yes, 5 2s are 10, 0. 17 by 20. Yes, 17 by 20. Hence in the similarly fraction of students who hate mathematics who hate maths, is equal to 15 by 100. From 5 and 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0. The fraction is 3 by 20. Fraction is 3 by 20. Here fraction is 17 by 20. Children, in this way we have to finding the fraction of given information present in the circle. Okay children, now come to the second question. What is asking here? Answer the following questions based on the pie chart given. Based on this pie chart, now let us going to answer the following question. The first question is, which type of program are viewed the most? Look at children, here which sector is more compared to the whole? Yes, this sector is very high, is bigger when we compare to the other parts. Is this indicates the entertainment. Which type of program are viewed the most? Is entertainment programs. Entertainment programs viewed most. Next, the types of programs have a number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel. Look at children, the news and informative programs have a number, both are add together, that gives 25%, that is equal to the another one channel is sports. So answer is here news channel and news and informative. These two channels or these two types of programs have a number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel. Okay children? Yes children, now let us going to draw a pie chart. Yes, see children, this is a frequency distribution table. Here some information is given about here. The flavors, the different flavors are given, chocolates, vanilla, other flavor, and percentage of students preferring the flavor. How much percentage of students who prefer the particular flavors are given here in terms of percentage. Now let us going to draw a pie chart for this given data. Before going to the drawing the pie chart, we know that children, the circle graph or a pie chart, it gives the relationship about between whole to its part, and circle is having the central angle 360 degree. As the whole circle is divided in two sectors, the sectors are represent the different activities that is taken in the raw data, and this circle is divided into sectors, and the whole center angle is also divided as a sector. Now let us go to divide the central angle like this. See children, the total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. We make a table to find the central angle of the sector. Now let us going to make another one table to find the central angle at the sector. Yes, chocolate. Chocolate is preferred by how much student? 50%. And in fraction, the whole circle is represent 100%, and the chocolate flavor is represent only 50. Now the fraction is 1 by 2. Now let us going to find the fraction of 360 degree. Is 1 by 2 of 360. That means 3 by 60 is divided by 2. We get how much? 180 degree. Yes children. Yes, 25 degree. Now let us find the first fraction. Yes, 25 is the part in 100%. We get the fraction here how much? 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 4 of 360. Yes, here calculate now. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 0. 90 degree. Fraction of 360 is vanilla flavor preferred by the student is how much degree? 90 degree. Yes. Other flavors, the fraction become like this. 25 by 100, it gives 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 4 of 360 is equal to 90 degree. See children here, the fraction of 360 is very important when we go to draw the pie chart. Yes, why do we divide the sector? Yes, because the central angle is 360 degree, is of 360 degree. Yes, 360 is divided into the fractions, divided into a sector of the fractions like this. And now let us go to draw the pie chart. Children, look at this. This is a circle. In the first step, going to draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark center O and mark the radius at any point on the circle and named as OA. Named as OA. Look at children here. This is a circle. In the step 1, draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark center O and draw a radius OA. And here first fraction of 360 is how much degree? 180 degree. See children, all of you know that this is a protractor. This is used to mark the degree. Used to mark the degree. Yes. Now mark the 180 degree in the circle like this. Take baseline as a radius. Take baseline as a radius and mark here 180 degree. Yes, we count from right to left like this. Yes, 180 degree is comes to here and mark the point. Remove the protractor and joining the point that is paused on the circle, you stop up to here itself and named this as B. And now let us going to mark this angle is how much degree? 180 degree. Yes, this whole sector represents chocolate flavor who preferred by the student. And the second fraction of a sector is how much degree? Yes, 90 degree. 90 degree is mark on this circle like this. See children, put your protractor like this and mark the 90 degree. And mark 90 degree. And is draw a line which is equal to the 90 degree. See now let us going to mark this as 90 degree. This 90 degree indicates which flavor? Is vanilla flavor. Vanilla flavor. Yes, the remaining is how much degree is here? 90 degree. That gives a sector of the information about other flavor. Yes. And this line is named as C. I forgot to tell this children. Is mark this as C. See now, this is a pie chart for the given raw data. Before going to draw this pie chart, we have to make a table of the fraction of 360 degree. Yes. Okay children, now come to example problem 1 in the page number 27. See now what is asking here. Adjoining the pie chart gives the expenditure on various items and saving of a family during a month. Yes, look at children, this is a pie chart of the expenditure of various items and savings of a family. And look at this figure and we have to answer in the following questions. Yes, see now first question. On which item the expenditure was maximum? Yes, look at this figure. Which sector is more? Yes, the food sector is more. Yes, on which item? Here what is asking? On which item? Yes, here the answer is food. On food the expenditure was maximum. The second question is expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of a family. Look at this figure carefully. Yes, now look at first which are same. Which two items are same here? Savings of the family and education of children. Both are equal sectors. And what is asking here? Expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of the family? Yes, education for children. Answer is education for children is same as that of savings of a family. Next, if the monthly savings of the family is 3,000, what is the monthly expenditure on clothes? What is the monthly expenditure of the cloth? See children, 15% represent 3,000 and what is asking here? Cloth. Cloth is represent how much percent? 10%. For 10%, how much money he get here? Yes, 15% is represent how much? 3,000. Yes, in the same way 10% is how much? We don't know, and do now cross multiplication like this. Yes, now we get here 3,000 by 15 into 10 is equal to, is cancelled here now from the 15 on the 15 15 to the 30, remaining is 200. 200 into 10 we get here answer 2000. Yes, answer for this question is, if the monthly savings of a family is 3,000, what is the monthly expenditure of cloth? The monthly expenditure of cloth is 2,000 rupees. How much? 2,000. Okay children, now come to the example 2. On a particular day, the sales of different items of a baker's shop are given here. Yes, listen here. Ordinary bread 320, fruit bread 80, cakes and pastries 160, biscuits 120, others 40. Total is 720. Draw a pie chart for this data. Yes, children, here the information is given. For this information, now let us going to draw a pie chart. Before going to drawing this pie chart, first we make the fraction of 360 table. The table of fraction of 360. Yes, children, look at this. We find the central angle of each sector here. How much? 720. We have this table. See children now. For the items, sales, in fraction and central angles. The table is divided into 4 columns and item column. Write the items and sales. How much sales are during the day? Or 3 like this. For the respected items, and in fraction. Yes, the total is how much? 720. Yes, this is divided by the 720. We get 4 by 9. It is a fraction. Yes, 120 is divided by 720. It gives the fraction 1 by 6. Like that, we get different fraction respect to the corresponding items. And now let us find the central angle. Is 4 by 9 of 360. Is 4 by 9 into 360. It gives 160. 1 by 6 into 360. It gives 60. Like that, we get the central angles. And after this table, we draw the pie chart like this. The first step is draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark the radius. Draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark the center. And draw a radius. After drawing the radius, by using the protractor, with the help of protractor, mark the central angles. Mark these central angles one by one. Yes. After we get like this. Ordinary bread, it takes 160 degree in the circle, and biscuits take 60 degree in the circle. Cakes and patties take 80 degree in a circle. Fruit bread takes 40 degree in the circle. Others take 20 degree in the circle. Like this, children, we have to draw a pie chart for the given data. Look at, children. Try these in the page number 29. Yes, all of you try yourself. What is asking here? Draw a pie chart of the data given below. Here the data is given. For this data, all of you must and should draw pie chart yourself. Take this is your homework problem. Children, up to now we are discussing about how to draw a pie chart and example problems. I hope that all of you understood very well. We will discuss exercise 3.2 problems in your next class.